Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to another vlog. Meron pa ritong hindi nakadamit. Lalabas kami ngayon guys. Na-prepare ko na yung mga kailangan namin. Kasi ma-araw pa rin sa labas. And gusto namin i-testing yung aming bagong portable stove na nabili. Ito siya. Ayan, so itatry lang natin siya sa labas. Pero hindi ko sure kung magiging mainit ngayon kasi hindi siya ganun kaaraw. Pero sabi naman ni Alexa mainit daw sa labas ngayon. Ayan, so depende siya. Hindi ko alam kung makakatagal ako sa labas kasi nga lamigin na ako ngayon. Nagdala ako ng unan tsaka mga blanket in case gusto namin humiga. Tapos, yung aming lulutuin ay ready na din. Eto, isang buong bag. Ayan, nagdala na rin ako ng mga snacks just in case as may grapes. Tingnan natin kung makakain ba yung lahat or magluluto lang doon tapos uuwi na.
Hello guys.
My God, there's a lot of things
There are so many things. Just now I was telling her, I said, are you sure we need all of these things? I think it's gonna become even sunny later, but for now it's a little chilly. Or maybe we are just at home, that's why we feel this.
Yeah.
Guys, we just woke up and we had a bad news. Yeah, Queenie is sick again. Mom was crying.
Ay, I know.
She had seizure again too.
Huh?
Yeah, mom said within 1 hour. Twice.
No wonder.
And just now when we video called them, she was just in bed and trying to get up and drink water, and mom was giving her water like that. You saw, right? Yeah. She couldn't even stand nicely. Her body is weak.
Meron kasi siyang
free
cyst.
injection.
Oh, what does she have? Tumor?
Tumor.
Tumor pala. Sa kanyang liver.
And her kidneys are also not functioning well. It's swollen.
Wala, natanda na si Queenie din. Nakakalungkot. Ayoko mo nang isipin, baka malungkot si baby. Ito na pala yung nabili namin kagahapon sa Dalarama na, what do you call this?
It's very nice.
What do you call this again? Trackpad?
Desk pad.
Desk pad?
Yeah, so
Oh, siya guys.
maybe today or tomorrow you're gonna receive the trackpad. So the trackpad will fit here, and then keyboard here, and the laptop you can put it here somewhere, hide it. You don't need to even open the laptop. You control everything from here.
Nice guys.
Yeah.
Kompleto na ang aking setup sa pagiging office girl.
Oh, one more. Oh, glued.
Is it?
I don't know.
Office girl na tayo, guys!
They keep sending emails. Oh no, it's the AdSense. Maybe problem again. Yep, you're gonna be the office lady.
Yeah.
You just sit here and just done. Right, no Queenie. But no Queenie.
Nakakalungkot. But what can we do? Everyone's aging.
Nothing. I mean, it's aging, but I mean, she still has around 2-3 years more.
Yeah.
But I don't think she can make it. Only because of the tumor. The tumor is quite big.
Siya anak kayo rin.
That's life.
Yeah,
What
sad.
I mean, I was telling mom just now. I said, if we see something is wrong with her, like outside her body, we can fix it, right? But it's internal, so we have no idea. And the doctor in Mohali, he already said that they can't do anything, because even if they operate her now, most probably she's gonna die in the operating room because of her age, and the tumor is quite big. So
Grabe, iyak ng mama niya kanina. Siyempre kasi kawawala lang ni Jackie, tapos mawawala na rin si Queenie. Sila lang magkasama sa bahay, di ba? Apat lang sila. Nawala na nga si Jackie. So, 3 na lang sila, mawawala pa si Queenie. Alungkot. Ako din pag pumupunta ako ng India, Yung mga aso lang kasama ko, guys. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako makalabas, hindi naman ako makapag-usap kasi hindi naman ako nagsasalita ng lingwahe nila. So, ang mga kaibigan ko lang ay mga aso. Lagi ko silang kasama sa bahay. Tapos, mag-walk kami. Morning, tsaka afternoon. Ayan. Yun yung libangan ko sa sa India. Yung mag-alaga ng aso. Guys, wala na naman akong tulog. Ang dami ko na naman iniisip. Ano na to, pangatlong gabi na to na nagigising ako ng alauna. At saka naman ng pagbubuntis ko. Lagi na ako nagigising ng alauna, tapos hindi na ako nakatulog. So guys, alis na kami soon. Gutom na ako. Are you hungry? I'm already hungry. What the hell? Gutom na ako. Guys, dito na kami sa may beach. And set up lang natin yung ating mga gamit. Ito ang aming napiling area. Tada! Ayan, medyo madumi yung table pero okay na yan. Tapos yung beach andyan. So may mga nagtatayo na ng mga tent. Meron din mga nagpa-barbecue dyan. Sa kabilang side.
So, let's set up.
Yeah, let's set up.
everything.
I'm excited to eat. I'm hungry.
But how about the wind? We forgot about wind.
Luckily it's not too windy right now, but I'm not sure about later.
Let's see. Oh,
So kanina guys, nasa
I'm
bahay
homeless
kami.
now. I have all the things I need.
Para na naman kami walang mga bahay. May dala kami mga unan, kumot.
Everything is with me. That's all I need to
Yeah.
live.
Kanina guys, sinet up na namin yung, what do you call that? The gas
Yeah, portable
cartridge.
gas stove.
Na nasa loob na yung gas cartridge niya.
I have the
Oh,
wind
DJ
blocker.
yarn. It's a DJ thing. DJ setup yarn.
Yeah. So
Meron akong kanin.
it's dirty.
Tapos yung lulutuin namin.
So you're the chef?
Just have to fire up.
Oh, you brought the big one. This one. Everything is ready. Yeah. That's where I'm gonna sleep from now on.
Where's the lighter?
I have. But
Ang lulutuin namin for today's menu is gonna be potato fritter. Ukoy. Kaboom.
do you see?
Ayun na, yeah, I see it. No, not the fire. The gas. Oh, there. I see the fire na.
Ooh, we can even cook steak.
Magluluto lang kami ng guys, ukoy. Ukoy yung hinanda ko for today's video.
Yeah, not bad.
Tapos may dala akong mantika.
Ooh, it's getting hot.
Oh, so fast yarn.
Yeah. Touch.
Excited to eat?
Touch. Touch. This one.
Yeah. The oil na?
How hot? Ooh, it's hot,
Hot?
right? It is hot. Enough. Not too much. Let it. See? It's hot.
Nice. We can actually do the Korean barbecue, you know?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you can just use the pan really.
Nice?
Huh?
That one?
I'm not sure, I didn't taste it.
That's
you,
fine.
you put the egg.
That's fine. We have vinegar, so not a problem. I'm gonna record that question. Okay. Do it.
Ready?
Ready. Ooh.
Professional yan.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. It works. So this is my house now. Oh yeah, okay. It works. Wow. Potato roasty.
We can make steak.
Yeah. We can even make steak. Oh yeah, okay. It works.
Nice. Oh my god, that is so nice.
Careful with this.
Tada!
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, but it's not that strong.
No, it's fine. It's gonna become crispy. Slow cook.
So, pwede na kami
I can see the
mag-steak.
brown. You look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna become very crispy.
Yes, meron kasi kaming grill, so we can do barbecue now. We can even cook rice.
I think we gave the food too much to the beef. Too much food for the beef.
It's fly.
Oh, sorry.
Nilangaw. Pumasok yung langaw kanina.
Beef.
Ayan, tinanggal namin yung mga areas na nadapuan niya. Ano ba yun?
Yeah.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah.
Before us. If I die,
Yeah.
you shouldn't eat. Sabi nung langaw.
Give me now.
Oh my god, ang bango ng ukoy namin.
It smells good.
Tapos guys, meron kami sweet chili sauce and then I made vinegar.
Now we should buy something like aluminum kind of thing. Aluminum. Yeah, that's good.
Set up ko yung aking camping chair, guys. Nakahanap na ako ng spot dito.
It's becoming brown.
It's ready? Oh my god, look at that. And then you do that. Hello, nice.
Nice. Yeah, it's brown now.
It's brown now. Brown na yung ating mga ukoy, guys. Pwede na silang
It
i-flip.
looks good.
Oh wow, it's brown.
Nice, right? Let me show you guys. Can I even show that? Like this.
Yeah.
Correct? Ooh, professional chef. Ooh, nice. That looks good. Right?
Sarap yan.
It's gonna be nice and crispy.
Bibili kami ng ano guys, foil na pangharang sa paligid para mas mabilis siya uminit kasi mahangin. Yan na yung ukoy guys, not bad siya, naging crispy naman. Konti lang yung ginawa ko, mga ano pa, 5 piraso na lang yung natitira dun sa aming butter. Tapos may 3 pa rito. Sakto lang para sa amin, 2 pa ng halian. Gusto lang talaga namin itry yung portable stove. Ready to eat na!
Are you hungry?
Yeah, very very hungry. Oh, I forgot the plastic
What plastic?
for eating.
Glove?
The gloves. Guys, ito yung aking suka. Kita nyo ba yung suka ko? Oh, sarap yan. Dami niyang onions. Come sit down.
Yeah. Almost done. Ooh.
Yes, uy. Sarap. Can I just dip?
Okay. Sizzle. Yeah, eat.
I mean deep.
Huh?
Can I just deep?
Yeah, just eat.
Guys, oh boy.
Yeah, it's nice. I like this tofu.
Mm.
Now I told you it's gonna be nice. Crispy and nice.
So good.
How's the salt and too much?
No,
Not enough?
it's just good. Ang sarap. We should do this again. Ang sarap.
Every weekend.
Yeah. Come, where's your gloves? Vinegar. You're gonna love the vinegar.
Oh yeah, of course. That's my favorite. I'm Filipino now. Half Filipino. Mm.
You can eat the rice.
Mm.
Vinegar is better.
Vinegar is so good. I don't think that's good.
Actually, vinegar is better.
Way better.
Tago ko na yung sweet chili sauce. For
That's
next
good.
time na lang. Mas masarap yung ano. Vinegar.
Very good. Mm.
Nice lunch guys, outside.
That's good.
Super good, no?
Mm. Mm. So
Tapos
crispy.
meron kaming crushed grapes. Favorite flavor ko yan ng crushed grapes. Yeah.
Crush on me.
Yep.
Mm.
No, you ring the bell and you say shop.
That's good. Satisfied.
Next time, magpiprito kami ng tilapia, guys.
Mm.
Pwede rin kami mag-barbecue grill. Parang
should.
Korean barbecue.
We should also do the barbecue.
Not enough oil anymore, this one.
Wow, look at the view.
Sobrang ganda ng view namin, guys. Mountain.
The vinegar is so good.
Yeah. Ang sarap. Really good, right? Buksan natin yung nag-yellow crush. Nilagay ko to sa freezer. Oh, shit. Hello. Hey. It's gonna spill, I think.
That's fine.
Pa-evaporatein muna natin yung tubig. Ay, yung hangin.
It's so good.
So good. Best date ever.
All right.
Later.
Perfectly cooked rice, right? Not overcooked.
Guys, naglalakad lang kami tapos na kaming nagluto at kumain. May bago sila dito. Ayan. Nilapitan ni Sumit. Binibenta ba yan? What's that? Oh, nice. It's like it's floating.
Yeah, looks good.
Parang nakalutang. Upo lang kami, guys.
So good.
Guys, kita nyo ba yan? Ang ganda. Wow. That's too much. Ang ganda ng view. Oh, I see the, was that helicopter?
See?
Sad life.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is nice.
Actually, not bad. I can see.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Not bad.
So nice.
It's not bad also.
Sumit.